Hi there, students. Tare. Okay, tare is a countable noun. I know it sounds like tear, but the spelling is different. Okay, we use this word tear in two different contexts, but the meaning is the same. The tear of a vehicle is the amount that it weighs without fuel, without loading, without anything in it. And very often on a truck you will see a plaque that says Tare, 3,400 kilos. And this is the unladen weight, the weight of it without anything in it. Yeah, and that is the tear of the vehicle. So with the weight of a motor vehicle or a carriage or an aircraft without any fuel and without any load. The other context we use tear in is for goods and products. So you see this jar here, delicious. It says 368 grams. Now, to work out that 368 grams is the net weight. So to work that out, you need to know the tare. The tare is the weight of the packaging, the weight of the container, the top, and the plastic and these other bits when it's empty. And then you can weigh the whole thing, take away the tare, and you have the amount that's actually left inside. Okay, and that's the net weight. So you need to know the tare to work out the actual net weight of something that's in a container. Very often with weighing scales, there's a button that you press and you put the container on it, you press the tare button, and it goes back to zero, and it just automatically subtracts the tare for you, and then you put it in. Yeah, so you take a bowl, you put it on the scale, you press the tare, and then you put 100 grams of flour in it, and that's the idea of the tare. It's the weight of a vehicle or a container when it's empty. Yeah, you take it away from the total gross weight, and that gives you the tare. The tare is a weight or a measure. Yeah, it's the weight of material in which the goods are wrapped. Yeah, you can actually also have a verb, to tear, to work out the weight of the wrapping. Yeah, okay, so tear. Notice also there's another meaning of tear. Tares are a weed that grows, but this is very unusual. I think I've only ever seen the word tares in the Bible. Yeah, tares are a type of weed. Okay, and that's the other meaning of it. But the tare, the empty weight of a container, the unladen weight of a vehicle without fuel, without any load in it, and that's the idea. To tare, to take into account the weight of the container, yeah, or to set to zero the value of a scale so that it discounts the weight of what's on it, and you've got a zero starting point. Okay, tare. This is very definitely, I think, a business word. Yeah, the tare of something, the weight of something. I think I would probably give it. I think maybe a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation and a semi-formal one. But I have a feeling a lot of people, if they're not truck drivers, are not going to know what it means. They may not. So be careful with it. And as to origin, it comes from French, tare, which itself comes from Arabic, tara, which means that which is thrown away. In Arabic, tarana, to throw away. Okay, I'm sure there are some of you out there who could comment much more knowledgeably on that. Okay, so the tear of something, the tear of a vehicle, the weight without unloaded and without any fuel, and the tear, the weight of the container, the weight of the packaging, so that you can work out the weight of what's what's inside it. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Tare.